Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the graph of y equals to sine of x. Uh, First, look at this unit circle. Unit circle means the circle whose radius is 1. So in this picture, radius is 1. Then by the definition, sine is this value opposite divided by hypotenuse, right? And in this case, the hypotenuse is 1, so we can say that the tangent is simply the height of the triangle. Is it correct? So if your angle x is changing from here to this direction, right? Well, at first, let me draw an extreme situation. If your triangle is here, please note that the height of the triangle is a very, very tiny one, which means when your angle is a very small thing, height is very small one. Okay? Now, as the angle increase, please note that the height, if I draw the height only, height is increasing. Here, height is increasing. Okay? So when you hit 90 degree, here, 90 degree, or pi over 2, we have a maximum value, which is 1. Is understandable? Now, if your angle is past the 90 degree, now please note that the height is again decreasing. Here, height is decreasing. If your angle is more than 180 degree, your picture is here. In this case, this height will be considered as a negative number. That's why your graph is below the x-axis. Okay, that's why we have this type of picture for sine of x. Now we will discuss some terminology. Let me erase this picture. In this picture, amplitude is the distance from the middle line to the highest point. Okay, this is the amplitude. In this case, amplitude equals 1. Okay, and period, in periodic function, period means the distance of the domain where the exact same picture appears over and over. So although I sketch only one period, after this we can expect exactly the same picture again, and this side also exactly the same picture will be appeared again. Okay, this is the concept of period. I will erase this one. Okay, so let me generalize this idea. If you have y equals a times sine over bx, then amplitude is the absolute value of a, and period 2 pi divided by absolute value of p. Okay, so very interestingly, if this number is increasing, then amplitude is increasing. It's a kind of a stretch of the graph vertically. But if this number is increasing, from this relation, please note that the period is decreased. which means if b is the number greater than 1, then the whole graph is compressed horizontally. Okay, so for example, if you have a y equals 3 times sine of 2x, then amplitude will be absolute value of 3 or just a 3. Okay, and period will be 2 pi divided by absolute value of 2, which is just a 2, so pi. Compared to this one, period is decreased by half, which means in a very short period we can complete one full cycle of the sine of x. Okay, now we will practice some problem. Sketch the graph of y equals sine over x at from 0 to 2 pi for what value of x is sine of x is 1/2. This is not the topic who solved the trigonometry equation, but I hope by solving this one, everyone understands some relationship between graph and some value. Okay, here from y equals sine of x, please note that amplitude is 1 and period is 2 pi over 1, which is 2 pi. So first, please label. This is 1, then this is -1, and this is 2 pi. Okay, or 360 degree. Now, half is pi, quarter is pi over 2, 3/4 is 3 pi over 2, right? Or 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree, and 360 degree here. Okay, on this grid, please sketch the sine. Sine is here and here. Okay, I just sketch one period, and we must solve sine x equals 1/2. Since this is a 1/2 will be around here, so if you draw a y equals 1/2, can you see that? 2 intersection, which means we have a 2 solution. And these 2 solution, this one will be, the first one is a pi over 6 over 30 degree. This one will be 5 pi over 6 over 150 degree. We can sketch the triangle instead of this graph to solve this one. For example, sine x is 1/2. Then can you sketch the graph of this one? 1/2. And please note that this is a special triangle whose angle is 30 degree, right? So 30 degree or pi over 6 as our solution. And where we have a 1/2 again. Yes, in second quadrant, here we have a 1/2 again. Since this is a 30 degree, in standard position, we know that this is 150 degree, which is 5 pi over 6. Okay? Please note that this graph and this picture of triangles are closely related. Good? Okay. Next question. sketch the graph of y equals sine of 2x for what value of x is sine of 2x equals 1/2. From this, what is the amplitude? Amplitude is still 1 because this number, right? And period is 2 pi over absolute value of 2, which is 2. Wow, so pi. So pi, we can complete one cycle, okay? But question asks us sketch from 0 to 2 pi. So if you make this is 2 pi, then this is a pi, and this is a half pi. Please note that our period is pi. So from here to here, we must make one complete sine graph. So sine graph here, here. Okay, and from pi to 2 pi, we have another cycle here and here. Okay, and question asks us, please solve this one. So if I draw 1/2, 1/2 is here. Now, can you see that we have 4 solutions? So, from sine of 2x equals 1/2, think 2x is just one angle. So 2x, with the same picture of our previous question, sine of something is 1/2. We know that this is 30 degrees, right? And remember that 150 degrees. And what is the next to 2 angles? You can simply add 360, then you have a 390 degrees, and 150 plus 360 will be 510 degrees. Okay, now what is x? 15 degrees, 75 degrees, 195 degrees, right? How about this one? 255 degrees. Yeah, we have a 4 solution. Okay, which means this 4 point, this. Good. So let me briefly summarize one more time. If you have a y equals sine of x, you can sketch the graph. When you sketch a graph, I think make a grid line or frame can be a good idea. This rectangular box is not part of the graph, but this is a good guideline. This is the x, this is the y, 1 here, -1 here, this is 0. Now one complete side period is 2 pi, so half is pi. Now we can sketch the sine of x on this plane. Okay, this is the sine graph. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.